This conference will now be recorded.
So just let me know once you are able to see my screen, guys. Are you able to see everyone? Sai, Suresh, Monica?
Yeah, visible.
Yes, cool. So today the topic is Sikulima. So the topic is Sikuli. It's not important, guys. It is only for knowledge purpose. So first of all, what is Sikuli and how to install Sikuli, how to add files to our Java project, and what are the methods we have and what is the process. So we'll discuss everything because it's very small tool, guys. 30 minutes time is more than enough. First of all, what is a Sikuli? Sikuli is a third party tool. So Sikuli is a third party tool which is used to handle or to automate both web-based and window-based applications So means as of now we have only automated web-based applications, right? But using SQL we can automate window-based applications as well. So window-based applications as well. And SQL is a image-based tool. So SQL is a image-based tool. So here you don't need to write experts or write the fun loops, if loops, nothing is required. So here what you need to do, you need to take the image. You need to take the image of the particular web element. Later on, you can do any kind of operation. You can do any kind of operation. And Sikuli is an open source. Okay? So Sikuli is an open source. Open source, what is open source? No? Open source means it is a free tool. Guys. It is a free tool. So no need to pay a single penny. So no need to pay single rupee. It is a free tool and you can download from the Google and you can add the respective .jar file to your project and later on you can execute. And here in Sikuli, we can use only one class, guys. So we are going to use a single class. The class is nothing but screen. So screen is a class, guys. So which is used to create object. So which is used to create an object of Sikuli. So object of Sikuli or object to use Sikuli, you can say anything. So screen is a class. So here screen class is used to create object later on by using this screen class object we are going to use a few methods. So we are going to use a few methods now. Those methods are nothing but the first of all, the first method is a click method. So we can do, so the second method is, so after click, so we can do right click. So right click also we can perform. So click we can perform, right click we can perform, and you can find the web element. So if you want, you can find using find method, or otherwise we have two methods to verify the web element. One is find or another one is exist. And we have another method, type method. Type method is used to type a text. It is same like a send keys. The paste method is also there. Type method will print each and every character each and every character one by one to the sending, to the text box. Paste method is used to paste the entire text at a single time. So at a single time means, so if you provide Vamshi, it will print Vamshi at a time. But if you use type, it will print VAMSI, like that it will type. But if you use paste, it will paste everything in a single shot. So we have click method, we have right click method, we have find method, exist method, and apart from this, we have double click as well. So find method is there. So double click is there, or otherwise you can verify whether the web element is displayed or not using exist method, or otherwise we have find method as well. So we have find method as well, or otherwise we have a drag and drop as well. So drag and drop as well. So you can drag drop. So drag drop method. So which is used to drag and drop, or otherwise we have hover method as well. So the final one is hover method. We have these 9 methods. So click method is a normal click, right click is normal right click, find means is displayed, and exist is also is displayed. So here we have two methods to verify. And a type method is nothing but send keys. So type method is send keys method. Double click, mouse over, hover is nothing but move to element. So we have only 9 methods and only one single class, main class, which is used to create object. So that's it, which is used to create object. So first of all, what we need to do? So I'm going to create one package to write the classes and another package to store the respective images. So here I am creating a package securely images. So I'm going to create a package is nothing but securely images, guys. So first of all, we need to download the securely jar file. So to download securely, so we need to go to the respective download.html securely x1 download.html, guys. I'll share you this particular link to you. And so once you open the link, it will display like this. Now what you need to do, you just go down little bit, so until system specific versions of the securely IDE. So you need to go down till securely IDE. Here we have the jar files. So if you are using Windows, download Windows, Mac, download Macs, or Linux, download Linux. No? I'm using Windows, so I'm downloading this particular jar file. So I'm downloading the jar file, guys. So only one jar file, guys. Only if you want to use securely, you need to download a single jar file and you need to add the jar file to your project. No? So it will take time, guys, like just 30 to 60 seconds. It depends on your network. So it is around 77.3 MB, so it almost downloaded. Yes, so it is downloaded. So now I'm going to my project and now I'm going to add jar file. So how to add? Right click and go to build path, configure build path. Again, we need to click on the Java, right? So again, we need to click on the Java build path. Here libraries, and here libraries, we need to click on the class path. Later on, add external jars. And here I am going to the downloads. So I'm going to downloads, and this is the SQL X. So 205. So I'm expanding. So I'm adding the SQL Xide 205.win.zar. Now I'm going to apply. So now I'm going to apply and apply and close. That's it. So once I need to add more, so apply and apply and close. That's it. Means we have successfully installed, we have successfully added SQL to our particular Java project. That's it, ma. It is an open source. You need to go to the website and you need to download the jar file based on your operating system, and you need to add the respective jar file to your project, and later on you can use directly. And one more point now I'm going to add here, guys. So here the image should be in PNG format only, otherwise our code will not work. So here the image should be in the image should be in PNG format. By default, it will convert. Just I'm mentioning clearly the image should be in .png format only. At that time, it will work. So at that time, it will work. So before writing the code, let me show you how to take screenshots. For that one, so I am using test automation practice, guys. So I am launching the test automation practice. And here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a snap of the particular web element. For example, I want to go to click me. So I want to go to click me means I want to click on the click me button. So normally in Selenium, so how to do? In Selenium, we need to identify the locator. Later on, we need to provide driver.find element, everything, and we need to provide the ID there. Later on, we need to provide the click method, right? But in Sikuli, so there is no such kind of code. You need to take the image clearly, and later on you need to create object of screen class. Later on you need to use a click method. That's it. Let me show you. Now I am going to take a screenshot, like take an image of the click meme. How to take image? Simple. Click on the Windows Explorer, and later on just type snipping tool. Just to type snipping tool. In each and every system you have snipping tool. Just click on the snipping tool. So it the image is like a scissor image here. So just click on the new, just click on the new. That's it, guys. Just click on the new. Later on, so you will get a like one image like this plus image like this. Later on, just take a screenshot of the, take an image of the a particular image. Take an image of the particular image. So it will open snipping tool like this. Later on, what you need to do, just click and save. Just click and save, guys. So it will automatically move to one file, one folder. What we need to do, we have created one SQL images folder, right? Let me go to this particular folder. I'm going to add every image there. So I'm going to add every image in the SQL images folder only. So I'm copying this one and later on I'm moving here. So and later on I'm saving here. So what is the file name? So click me, right? So click me. See, by default the type of image is PNG only. Don't change any type, guys. Just use the same PNG format and just provide the file name. Just provide the file name and click on save. Just to provide the file name and click on save. That's it. So we have successfully taken the image, right? Now we need to start the coding. So if you want to perform any action on any web element, just go to the web page and take a screen, take an image of the particular web element, and you can write, you can start coding. So you can start writing the coding. So first of all, what is SQL? SQL is an image based tool which we can able to handle both window based and web based applications, and it is a open source tool. We can download the jar file and we can add the jar file. We need to add the jar file to the respective project and later on we can use that one. In SQL we have only one class, that is nothing but screen. Using the screen class, we need to create the object of the screen class, and based on the object we need to use the respective methods. We have only these methods. So we have only these methods: click method, right click method, everything. So if you have any questions as of now, so in the theory part you can ask, guys. Suresh, are you there? Cool. First of all, so let me, yes. So let me create one class, each and everything. For to automate securely also, we need to launch the driver, we need to launch the browser. So Control Z and Control C. Let me go to securely and let me create one class, my class, my first class name is click, so click example or click method. So click method. So now I'm going to launch a test automation, right? So I'm going to launch test automation. So later on, what we need to do? So we need to provide a screen, a particular image, right? Before providing the image, so I'm going to add time here, driver dot manage dot timeout dot implicitly wait or duration. So 3 seconds I have provided. I'm providing here. Later on, we need to create object to the class called screen, right? Are you able to see, screen class belongs to SQL. Are you able to see, guys? org.sql.script. Are you able to see?
Yeah, it is visible, Hemaja.
org.sql.script. So we need to create object to the screen class. So we need to create object to the screen class. So I have created object to the screen class. Now what we need to do, we need to simply call the respective method. What method we are going to perform? A click right, just by using the screen class object and provide dot. Later on it will display all the methods. Now I am going to use a method called click. Are you able to see click here, guys? So click, in the click you can add. So here in the click you need to add the respective path of the particular image. The particular image, so in System Explorer, so here in the SQL images we have stored. So we have stored one image, right? So we need to take the path of the particular image. So shift and right click and click as copy as path. And click as a copy as path. Shift right click and copy as path, close and go to your class and control. So go to your class and here control V. See, are you able to see more? So we need to provide the double quotes, so otherwise it will not work. Double slashes. So here, so sc dot click, it will throw exception. We need to add this exception. Sc dot click. So later on you need to provide the image. That's it, guys. So you don't need to write driver dot find element. So nothing is required. So nothing is required. You need to take the screenshot of the image and you need to perform some action, whether it may be a click or whether it may be a type, whether it may be whatever it may be, you need to go there, you need to take a image of the particular web element and you need to click or you need to type, you can do any action. You can do any action on the page. Let me execute. We can use single front slash or you can use double backslashes like this. You can use like this also instead of double slash, backslashes. Cool. Are you able to see, guys? Are you able to see? Are we able to click on click me button or not? Are you able to see, guys?
Yeah, see visible.
So we have successfully clicked on click me. So if you want to click on OK, do the same. So do the same, guys. Just go here, click on click me, and later on take the image of the particular OK. Take an image. OK image. Later on save. Same process, guys. Later on save. It is OK message. OK, right? So OK button. That's it. Go here and later on. Just instead of click me, just provide OK here. That's it. And make sure the image name should be correct, otherwise it will not work. So otherwise it will not work. So make sure your image name should be clear. Should be correct, should be proper. Otherwise it will not work. Observe carefully, guys. Now, first of all, we are going to click on click me. Later on, we are going to click on OK button. See, click me. Later on, OK. Are you able to see me? You pressed OK message. Are you able to see the message? Yes. So like this, you can do any operation. So you can do any operation. So let me show you for right click, paste. So right click. So to right click, so let me use this particular image. So this automation practice image. Save and the image name is. So it's Sikuli is not a real-time one, guys. So we haven't used Sikuli in real time. It is only for knowledge purpose. Understand? Let's give me 1 second. So the right click, now I am going to use a adp.png. So let me execute. So instead of click, I'm going to use right click. No? So right click, that's it. So instead of click, I'm going to use right click and I'm executing this. నీకు చెప్తా Are you able to see, guys? Are you able to see right click?
Yes, Himanshu.
So we can right click like this and double click and type. So you can do any action. So let me show you for type and paste. So first of all, a type method. No? For that one, let me use so I'm going to use wiki. So here in the type method, instead of right click, I'm going to use a type method. No? So later on here, I'm going to pass a wiki. Later on, so I need to pass a testing. I'm going to pass testing to the respective Wikipedia text box. So observe guys, type means it will type each and every character. No? But exist means, sorry, but paste means it will paste everything at a time. It will paste everything at a time, guys. Now we are using type method. Type means each and every character you should type. Observe carefully. Are you able to see, mom? It is typing each and every character.
Yes, Himanshu.
Are you able to see? Now let me copy and paste. This is called a paste method. So now I'm going to use paste method and observe the difference, guys. Let me, okay. So let me use paste method actually. So I'm using the same type method. No? Have you observed the difference, guys? Type means it will type each and every character to the respective text box. Paste means it will paste entire code at a time. Have you observed the difference?
Yes, Himanshu.
Yes. And the next one is a find method. So the next one is find, guys. Find the method. It will just verify whether we have the respective web element, means respective image or there or not in our web page. So I'm using the same. Instead of this, first of all, we need to verify this. Find means verify. So first of all, I'm verifying this one. Later on, I'm pasting the entire code. You can use find or exist. Both is used to verify whether we have the image or not in the respective web page. Are you able to see, guys? It verified the particular image on the screen. Later on, it entered text to the respective text box. Same find method and exist method, same methods will behave same. So both the methods will behave same. Both are used to verify whether we have particular image there or not in our particular web page. So you can use either exist or you can use a find. Both are same. Both methods are used to verify the image in the web page. If it is there, it will go to a next step, or otherwise it will throw exceptions. Might will throw exceptions. Both will do same action, but this one is to exist and this one is for a find. Find and exist both are used to verify the web element, means the image on the web page. So if you have any questions as of now, you can ask this.
Himaja, exist and find also same thing only, verify.
Mm. Mm. Is
There is no
verify.
difference.
It will verify whether it exists. No, exist means it's kind of enabled kind of thing. So exist means if it is there, find means is visible kind of thing. Exist means if it should be there and it should be enabled.
Okay, Himaja.
Understand?
Thank you. Yeah.
Yes. And the next thing is the drag and drop. So let me take the images, drag drop. So this is a drag. And this is to drop. So let me go here and let me use drag. So drag drop. So drag a drop. So I need to provide the source and I need to provide the destination. Source is a drag, right? And comma, by providing comma, I'm going to use this one. So let me use yes. So here this is the drag and this is a drop. So here I have used two images. So my first image is to drag and the second image to drop. So I'm using drag and drop. Even in drag and drop method also we used two web elements, right? One is the source and one is the destination. Here also you need to provide two images. One is to drag one drag image and another one is a drop image. So let me execute. Guys, have you worked on a drag and drop or have you practiced a drag and drop option first of all using actions class? Suresh, Sai, have you worked on drag and drop?
Yes, Himaja.
Cool. See here, are you able to see the error? First of all, drop. Drop is not visible fully. See here, exception find failed. So because previously the particular application is like this, right? So that is the reason. Let me show you again. So this run as Java application. Are you able to see, guys?
Himaja.
Yes. So this is drag and drop, and we have two more methods. The next method is mouse over. So the next method is mouse over. No? Let me copy and paste. Mouse over means hover method, right? For Amazon, let me open Amazon instead of mail. You can't able to see anything, right? Okay, let me. Okay, cool. If I mouse over this one, so I'm able to see this particular. So we'll verify this mouse over. Hello. Let me use for. Let me delete the second image, and here instead of drag, we need to use hover or hello. Let me open. Let me check here. This is hello, right? Okay. So the image is hello.png, and here we need to use hover. That's it. Okay. So yes, let me change the URL.
Himanshu, if we are using anything in the user, if we take extra amount of photo, like we take search and even to sign in everything.
You can take extra. You can take anything. You can take any extra photo as well. But here just I am showing how to take the image. That's it. You can take anything. You can take if you want. You can take full screen as well. Full screen also you can take.
Okay, Himanshu.
Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Hover. This is the hover one. Now I am going to show you double click in the web Windows based. As of now, each and every method in Windows web based, right? But now I will show you how to handle window based applications as well. So how to handle not window based applications, guys. See here. So this is uploading file, right? See if I open any file here. So if I click anything here in this particular drag and drop, see here drop file. So I want to double click on this one. So otherwise it will not work. So now I'm going to double click on this one. Later on I have something here. So what I'm going to do, I just click on anything. So otherwise let me download one file, nature images. So nature images. So let me go. nature image dot png. Nature image. That's it. So now I'm going to save this one. Now what we need to do? First of all, I'll show you in the manual. First of all, I'm going to double click on these drop files. Later on, so here I'll verify a nature image. I'll type nature image here. So nature image here. Later on, I'll click on open. I'll click on open, guys. So here, if I click on open, so observe the nature image photo will display here. It is starting uploading. So just a second. As a guest user, my network is little slow today. Close. See here, some file HTTPS U file something is uploaded here, right? So I'll show you this one. So let me delete the files first of all. Or otherwise, let me refresh. Yes. So now, so here, now we are going to automate a double click as well as window based. Double click as well as window based one. So observe carefully, guys. So first of all, let me copy and let me paste double click. First one is double click. So double click method. First of all, we need to launch this URL. We need to launch this respective URL. And later on, so we need to take the image. First of all, once you open the page, it is like this. Now, I'll take the image of only this particular thing. Drag files, or I mean drop files here like that. Save. Drop files. So my image name is drop files. So now I'm going to use a drop file here and later on. So later on what we need to do. So if we double click on this one, we need to provide double click instead of over. Double click we need to provide later on. So after double clicking on this one, so we need to type nature image, right? So let me take another screenshot here. So another. It is file name. Let me save file name. Let me copy. Let me paste. Here we use the type, right, and this is a file name .png. So file name .png. So here we need to pass which one you want to type, right? Which name you want to type. So here let me go to nature image.png. JPG, right? So let me click on copy as path. Okay, let me go here and let me delete everything. So here to here, just I want to type nature image.png. Later on, I need to click on open, right? So later on, we need to click on open. So take the new image, just click on open, just take the image of open button. Open. That's it. So we have all the three images. That's it, ma'am. So here, first of all, we need to double click on the particular drop files. Later on, we need to type. Later on, we need to click. So later on, we need to click. That's it. So let me show you in the debug mode. So let me show you in the debug mode, guys. Debuggers, double click. Each and every web element, not a web element. So each and every time I'm taking the image of the respective element. So later on, let me close this as well. My Chrome is not responding. Okay, fine. Are you able to see, guys? Now we are exactly in double click. So now I am going to double click on the drop files. Hmm. So it is throwing find file because so our image is from drop files to maxima, but here it is displaying till drop files only, right? So let me take another image because it is image issue. So only drop files. That's it. Save. Let me change old image with the new image, drop files. Yes. Let me close this one. Stop or execute again. Debug again. Debug as Java. The page is loading still. So now, so we are at double click. So now I am going to double click. So drop here files. See, I'm able to double click on the particular drop files. So are you able to see? Are you able to see, guys?
Himalaya.
So it is okay. Yes. Another folder. So here we don't have any such kind of folder. Nature image, we don't have such kind of thing, but let me try. So let me try whether we are able to type nature image dot jpg or not. No, we haven't because there the structure is different here. The structure is different. But I have clicked on open. See, so open. But the structure of the file name is different here and there. Let me take the screenshot of this one, or otherwise we let me click on something, or I will do one thing. So let me copy nature image. Cut from here and paste here. Yes, I have nature image. So now what I am going to do, I will type yes. So let me take this particular file image. Can we should take? Yes. Now I am going to new. Yes. Now let me save. Yes. Close this one as well and this one as well. And let me remove debugger. Okay. Let me save debugger 100 because the page is taking time. I have removed the debugger part of drop files. We'll see. Yes. We have successfully withdrawn drop files. Now, what we need to do, we need to type the particular file name there, right? We'll see. Are you able to see my nature image.jpg? Are you able to see? We have successfully entered nature image.jpg in Windows, not the browser. And now we are going to click on open. See, open. Are you able to see starting uploading nature image.png? Are you able to see, guys? I mean nature image.jpg. Are you able to see?
Yes,
Yes, like this you can use a SQL, but it is not at all important. So in real time, this is not use SQL. This is only extra tool in your resume. That's it. Understand? It may help you in the future, but not now. Yes. So we can do any kind of operation using images, guys. So without using any code, we can operate both Windows and web-based applications using SQL. So these methods are more than enough. This is only for extra knowledge purpose, only extra knowledge. So if you have enough time, so at the time, so go and learn SQL. Otherwise, learn Selenium and Java. That's it. Understand?
Okay, Himanshu.
Yes. From tomorrow onwards, we'll start real-time coding. So tomorrow also we have class at 6 p.m. because I have released meeting to 9. And from Monday onwards, as usual, so 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Yes. So if you have any questions, you can ask guys on the SQL. No questions on SQL?
No.
SQL is very easy, right, when compared to Selenium?
Yes, Himanshu.
No need to remember all the methods, all the classes, all the interfaces. Nothing is there. You just remember only 9 methods. That's it.
Okay, Himanshu. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow, same time. Bye.
Thank you, Amasa.